Hi, good morning, students. Once again, a very happy good morning to all of you. Students, I am Vikas Kumar Tiwari, your maths teacher, once again in front of you with online class with some different types of problems of triangle. Students, today I am going to solve different types of problems other than NCERT book. Today, the first question, and this is the very important question for you, that in triangle ABC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC meet at O. Then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2. This is very important question. So, according to question, in triangle ABC, this is triangle A, B and C. The bisectors of angle B. Bisector means array which divide an angle in two equal measurement. Then BO bisect angle B. That means angle A is equal to angle 2 and angle C is divided by a ray CO. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and their bisector meets at point O. Then prove that angle BOC, look here, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2. 90 degree plus angle A by 2. That means this proof is the relation between BOC and angle A. So look here, angle BOC is the part of triangle BOC and angle A is the part of triangle ABC. So we prove this results by help of these two triangles. So here, according to rules, first of all, what is given? So given, that means what is the statement of question. Given is a triangle ABC, bisectors of angle B and angle C meets at point O. Look here, meets at point O. To prove, what is proof? Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2. Students, given and to prove both are mentioned in question. Then now proof मतलब to process to achieve our result. The process to achieve our result is proof. So proof, because BO is the bisector of angle B, so we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2 is equal to angle B by 2. Similarly, because CO is the bisector of angle C, so we can write angle C is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4 equal to angle C by 2. Now in triangle ABC, look here, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angles sum property of triangle. Clear? Now angle A by 2, angle B by 2, angle C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. Why? Because dividing LHS and RHS by 2. Division is then 180 is divided by 2, then result is 90. So angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Side change. By transposing process, the sign of angle A by 2 is positive, then their sign is in RHS value is minus angle A by 2. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ एक चीज़ आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि क्यों हम डिवाइड 2 से किए। 2 से डिवाइड हमको इसलिए करना पड़ा क्योंकि यहाँ रिलेशन हमको खोजना है इस ट्रायंगल और इस ट्रायंगल में। इस ट्रायंगल में एंगल 2 है एंड 4 है। सो हम देख रहे हैं कि द रिलेशन ऑफ एंगल 2 विथ द एंगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज एंगल बी बाई 2 एंड एंगल 4 इज एंगल सी बाई 2. सो वी डिवाइड हियर बिकॉज इन प्लेस ऑफ एंगल बी बाई 2 वी कैन राइट एंगल 2 and at place of angle C by 2 we can write angle 4 and this is the part of triangle BOC. इसी यही कारण है कि हम 2 से डिवाइड्स किए. नाउ दिस इज इक्वेशन थर्ड. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल BOC angle 2 plus angle 4, look here, angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree again by angle sum property of triangle. Now we put the value of angle 2 plus angle 4. So we can write here angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to what? 90 degree minus angle A by 2. So we can write in place of angle 2 and 4 angle 90 degree minus angle A by 90 degree minus angle A by 2. So 90 degree minus angle A by 2 plus BOC is equal to 180 degree by using equation third. Again by using transposing method, angle BOC is equal to side change. When side change, the sign of 90 degree is positive, so sign is negative, and sign of minus A by 2, so here is angle A by 2. So BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2, and this is our proof. Now next question. Bisectors of the exterior angles B and C form by producing sides AB and AC. यहाँ बोल रहा है कि एक ट्रायंगल है ABC जिसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है कब? When the sides of AB is produced at E and AC is produced at F. ठीक है, तो इसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करने वाला BO एंड CO इंटरसेक्ट एट पॉइंट O, intersects at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus angle A by 2. In previous question, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2, and in this question 90 degree minus angle A by 2. So here is given by bisectors of exterior angles of B and C meets at O. To prove BOC is equal to 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Now here again BO is the bisector of angle CBE. So we can write angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle CBE by 2. And this is equation first. Similarly, CO is the bisector of angle BCF. So we can write angle 5 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle BCF by 2. And this is equation second. Now we also know that again this is the relation. This proof shows the relation between this triangle ABC and triangle BOC. So again look here, this is a straight angle. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2. Why? Because 2 is equal to 3. So we can write at place of angle 3 angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. 2 times angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 1. Angle 2 is equal to side change, their coefficient. Angle 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus angle 1 by 2. So angle 2 is equal to 90 degree minus angle A by 1 by 2. And this is equation third. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree again by straight angles. So we can write at place of angle 6 angle 5. Why? Because CO is the bisector. So angle 5 equal to angle 6. So we can write here angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. 2 times of angle 5 plus angle 5, 2 times angle 5 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 4. Side change, angle 5 equal to 180 degree by 2 minus angle 4 by 2. So we can write angle 5 is equal to 90 degree minus angle 4 by 2, and this is the equation 4. Now in triangle BOC, the sum of their angles is equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. In place of angle 2, we can write 90 degree minus angle 1 by 2 from equation third right here. And in place of angle 5, we can write 90 degree minus angle 4 by 2 from equation 4 plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Minus is common here, so angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. 180 and 180 both are cancelled, and side change, then angle BOC is equal to angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2. So BOC is equal to angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2. This is equation 5. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Again by using angle sum property, dividing both side by 2. Why? Because here is angle 1 by 2 and angle 4 by 2. For that purpose, we divide this equation by 2. So angle A by 2 plus angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. 180 degree is divided by 2, then result is 90, and the side change of angle A by 2, then we obtained angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Again, look here, angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 is equal to what? So, look here, angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 is equal to what? Angle 4 BOC. So we can write in place of angle 1 by 2 plus angle 4 by 2 angle BOC. So angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2, and this is our proof. This is our proof, minus angle A by 2. Here is 90 degree minus angle A by 2. So result is 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Now our next question is, in adjoining figure, show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 360 degree. Look here, A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to 360 degree. Here is given two triangles. दो ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर DFB. Look here, DFB and EAC. EAC. Two triangles are given here. Then prove that the sum of their vertices is equal to 360 degree. So sum of their vertices is equal to 360 degree. Now students, in proof, in triangle DFB, look here, in triangle DFB, angle D plus angle F plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. By angle D plus angle F plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. By angles sum property of triangle, and this is equation first. Again in triangle EAC, look here, triangle EAC, angle E plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Again by which property? By angle sum property of triangle, and this is equation second. Now adding both equations, LHS from LHS and RHS to RHS, then we get angle D plus angle F plus angle B here, and angle E plus angle A plus angle C, angle E plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 360 degree. So students, these are some problems from your R.S. Agrawal book. And now your homework is complete exercise. Your homework is complete exercise 8, complete exercise 8 from R.S. Agarwal. Okay, thank you.